Hello everybody, J-Rock here, and I've been getting a lot of questions about gold, XU. And what we're looking at is a monthly chart of XU. We see it went straight up over the last 10 years, and then it came back down, corrected to the 50% correction level, Fibonacci retracement, and it has been chopping back and forth in the last couple of years. But if you see the moving averages, it has gotten under the 100 period moving average, that light blue line going across the screen at the top. And it closed. All of the month candles started closing below, with one exception, that green candle right there in the middle of your screen. Closed just above it, but then it was negated by the next 3 months, and then we had a monster drop-off. Well, you see the purple line down here, that's my 50 period moving average. And I put a horizontal purple line going across the screen right there at the 50 period moving average, 1236. So you can see when I go to the next time frame, which is the weekly time frame, there it is down there, and it's almost where the 200 week moving average is at. Now, if you see how the moving averages play a factor, when we started breaking down, we would bounce up into the different moving averages, like the yellow line going across is my 34, found resistance there, and then we started dropping. We held under the 5, that light blue line coming down. Then we got under the 100, which is a light blue line going across. And then we came almost all the way down to the 50-month moving average, the purple line. And then we bounced up and we started coming back down. Well, what did we bounce up into on this last week? Well, let's go to the day time frame, and there you have it. We bounced up into the 20-day moving average, and then the bottom fell out. We've been in a stair step down. If you look, it's a downtrend, and we're just breaking down below all the moving averages, and we bounce up into them and then come back down again. So it should have been of no surprise that we were really going to drop back off. I've been saying for weeks, maybe a few months, the US dollar is strengthening. It will bounce up and down, but it is ultimately going to go up, which means gold, EU, GU, they will all go down because they are against the US dollar, the leading currency in their pair. So go to the H4 and you see we had a big drop off there, and that was because we hit the 20-day moving average. So as you see, I believe gold will come down, and if we go to the month time frame, and I said we will probably come down to 1200 when we break below that 50. 1200 is going to be a good whole number, like a century mark on the chart. And I'm going to show you another trend line real quick. If I do a line like that and we connect those bottoms, check that out. It's going to come right down to 1200. So that is a lower channel trend line, and we are likely going to touch 1200 right below us, and it could happen this month, July. Straight down, then we bounce up. But I think we may continue to go down below. We could come down to 1100 or 1045 and put in a double bottom right here at this level, give or take, wherever this channel, let me get that to move. There we go. Get that a straight line, and that is likely where we're going to see a level of support. Around 1045, somewhere around there. So could come down lower, and you see the 200-month moving average right down here is coming into play. So we could come way down and bounce off of that over the next several months. No telling, but we could get a big drop. Look how fast it dropped when it went down over these few months here. That was a monster drop. So don't know how far it's going to fall, but we will see. J-Rock.